switching over or like sort of to calibration instead of the current model of inputting data into the AI Feynman. Because yeah, I was wondering, because I was thinking maybe like next semester, and maybe because I know Professor Zoro mentioned that stuff is happening over the summer. I was wondering if we could start doing that. I don't know if
that's a good point. I think I brought this up a couple of times before as well. So let's see the progress on the this AI Feynman. As in, is there any conclusive or good result that we see? Because I remember the last version that you guys sent, the equation that you were getting was pretty long. It was not even close to the Black-Scholes. So I suggested that try at the money options, because at the money options, they have closed form solution. So somehow you can compare at the money option to those. If there is some progress on that front, we can see if we can proceed a little bit more and come up with some kind of documentation or some kind of paper. If you guys are not able to conclude something good, then we can definitely move to a calibration. I can set the, I can give a quick detail of the problem statement. So we have all these traditional financial models like Hull White and all, which are calibrated using some of the traditional instruments. There are quite a lot of approaches coming up based on machine learning calibration. So that's something you can try. So I can give you more details in case you're interested. But yeah, I mean, the idea would be, given that people have worked on this project for some time, it would be good to conclude something on AI Feynman and then move to the next one. Does it make sense?
Yes, that makes sense. I was thinking that I know Yiren is wrapping up, or I don't know if she's, but I feel like Tian and Yimi, because it's the end of their capstone, I was thinking maybe they could wrap up that part. And because I know we have 2 new students, and then I'm also doing capstone next year, I was hoping that maybe the three of us could move on to the calibration.
Yeah, that makes sense. So I'll tell you what we can do. You can ask Yiren or whoever was working on this project before to just summarize the findings. I guess there were a couple of GitHub repo I remember seeing. There was one document I remember seeing. So ask her or somebody to summarize. And then on the new project for the calibration, I can send a couple of papers to you guys. The idea would be to calibrate a complicated traditional models or traditional model using machine learning.
Okay.
Right. So you can like do some readings, and I can provide the details as well on my end.
Okay.
Any other question?
No,